The future of professional computing has officially arrived, and it is far more transformative than anyone anticipated. Today, we are diving deep into the machine that is fundamentally redefining what a portable powerhouse can achieve, the brand new MacBook Pro M6. If you've been waiting for the moment when your workflow finally becomes completely bottleneck-free, this is the exact machine designed to eliminate every limitation you have faced in your creative or professional life. We're talking about an architecture so advanced that it makes previous iterations feel like relics of the past. From the moment you lift the lid, the experience is designed to be seamless, immersive, and astonishingly fast. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the M6 chip. This is not just a modest incremental update. This is a total overhaul of silicon design. Apple has pushed the boundaries of thermal efficiency and raw computational power to a level that was previously thought impossible in a laptop chassis. Whether you are rendering complex 8K timelines, training massive machine learning models, or compiling millions of lines of code, the M6 handles these tasks with a level of cold, silent efficiency that defies logic. The unified memory architecture has been expanded, allowing for data throughput that keeps the GPU and CPU starving for nothing. You will notice this the second you launch your most demanding applications. They simply open instantaneously. Beyond the raw numbers, the physical experience of the MacBook Pro M6 is where the true engineering mastery shines. The display remains the gold standard of the industry, offering a level of color accuracy and contrast that creative professionals in film, photography, and design have come to rely on. With a refined peak brightness that makes working in high-glare environments a total non-issue, you can take this studio-grade monitor anywhere in the world. The promotion technology has been further refined to provide an even more responsive feel, making every scroll, swipe, and animation look incredibly fluid. This is not just about specs. It is about how the hardware disappears so you can focus entirely on your craft. We also have to discuss the efficiency that this chip brings to the table. Battery life has long been the Achilles heel of high-performance laptops, but the M6 changes the narrative entirely. You can now push this machine to its absolute limits for an entire workday without ever needing to look for a wall outlet. It allows for a level of location independence that was previously reserved only for low-power ultrabooks. You're no longer tethered to your desk to achieve professional-grade results. This is true freedom for the modern nomad, the editor on the move, and the developer who needs a workstation that can keep up with their pace. Connectivity has also seen a significant upgrade. With the latest standards in I/O, you're looking at transfer speeds that move gigabytes of data in a heartbeat. Whether you are connecting to high-speed external storage arrays, driving multiple external displays, or utilizing the latest in peripheral technology, the MacBook Pro M6 acts as a rock-solid hub for your entire ecosystem. It respects your time by ensuring that your data moves as fast as your brain can think. And let's not forget the build quality. The recycled aluminum housing feels more rigid and premium than ever, ensuring that your investment is protected for years of heavy use. Security and privacy, as always, remain at the forefront. With the latest iterations of hardware-level encryption and the improved neural engine, your data remains yours alone. The seamless integration with your other devices means that your workflow is continuous, whether you start on an iPad, move to your desktop, or finish on this MacBook Pro. The ecosystem is tighter, smarter, and more integrated than it has ever been. When you consider the totality of this package, the performance, the efficiency, the display, and the build, it is clear that Apple has reached a new peak in laptop engineering. This is not just a refresh. It is a declaration of where the future of professional computing is headed. If you're serious about your output, if you're tired of waiting for render bars, and if you demand the best, the MacBook Pro M6 is the final answer.